Hello students, in this video we'll evaluate some limits using difference quotients. Let's suppose that f is differentiable on the real numbers. Let's find the following limit, the limit as x approaches c of c f of x minus x f of c, all divided by x minus c. So this is not exactly the difference quotient. It looks similar to it. We can put it into the difference quotient form by doing an algebraic manipulation. What I'm going to do is I'm going to add and subtract something in the numerator. So what we're going to do is the following. We're going to say that this is equal to the limit as x approaches c of c f of x. And I'm going to subtract off what? I'm going to subtract off c f of c, and I'm going to add in c f of c into our problem, and minus f x f of c, all divided by x minus c. Okay? And then I'm going to gather some like terms. So the first terms I'm going to gather over here, these have a common factor of c. So I'm going to break this into two limits. This is going to be the limit as x approaches c of c times f of x minus f of c. And then the other terms over here, I'm going to pull out an f of c from them. I'm going to have plus f of c, and then I'm going to have a c minus x over here, right? So that's going to be a c minus x, all divided by what? All divided by x minus c. Now, both of these limits are going to exist. This limit over here is going to exist because f is differentiable at c. And then this limit over here is going to exist because I'll be able to cancel out that factor. I have a removable discontinuity there. So we can break this into two parts, right? So the first part we're going to break this into is we're going to break this into the limit as x goes to c of, pull a c out of that first limit, and then you have f of x minus f of c over x minus c. That limit exists. And then over here, I'm going to say minus, I'm going to flip the sign of this, the limit as x goes to c of what? Of f of c over x times x minus c times divided by x minus c. And so now, of course, there's an x minus c in the numerator and denominator, so those are just going to cancel over here. So this is going to turn into c, the limit as x goes to c of f of x minus f of c over x minus c. And then this over here is just going to be minus the limit as x goes to c of f of c. And so this limit, this first limit over here is just going to be c times f prime of c. And then I'm going to have a minus f of c. And so that is the limit of this sequence for any differentiable function on R. So we'll be able to modify the quotient we had over here to put the difference quotient into play to use the definition of the derivative. Thank you very much.